Hey guys, welcome back. Today's walkthrough is for an evening inspired look. Stick around to see the final result. I loved making it and I hope you guys love it too. Alright, we're jumping right in with the Giorgio Armani primer. Once your skin absorbs the primer, apply the right shade of foundation for your skin tone. I like Giorgio Armani foundation because it gives a velvety texture or feel. Using Anastasia foundation stick, I'm going to be contouring my face. After that, I'll be using my beauty blender and I'll be dabbing the product, making sure to blend it thoroughly. Now, when it comes to contouring your nose, I really like using a thin brush. It really helps me sculpt out my nose properly and really makes it super defined. Now, I'm gonna apply some concealer under my eyes, on my nose, and my forehead. This is basically I'm concealing my dark circles under my eyes, yet I'm also highlighting and brightening the skin. Here, I'm using a beauty blender, and I'm making sure to be thorough in my dabbing. After that, I like to apply the concealer to the center of my eyelids, and again, dab until full blend is achieved. Next, I'm using translucent powder by Hourglass and setting it underneath my eyes and on the frown line. Here's the thing, I have frown lines, so I like to add the translucent powder around that area to prevent creases from appearing. Alright, I'm going to be brushing my brows and I'm going to be filling them in with Anastasia Wiz Brow. If you're liking this video, please consider hitting the like button. It really helps out. Anyway, back to the makeup. Now, what I like about Dip Brow Pomade is that it helps me draw out hairlines and it makes the brows look super natural, which is what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna be going with Huda Beauty Obsession palette and I'm gonna be using the lightest shade in the palette. And why I'm using this is because it really helps to transition the colors that I'm gonna use later on. I prefer using round brushes for shadows because it really helps me blend out the colors. Next, I'm using the Warm Neutral Sigma palette. I've chosen the cinnamon color applied with a round brush to the outer corner of my eye as a mid-tone color to go with the Huda Beauty light pink color. Later, I'll add a darker shade and that will bring all three colors together. I've added the specific products, lines, and color codes below. Please let me know in the comments if you like that or if you find it distracting. So this is the darker color I was referring to before. Notice how the colors now can look just fine for a daytime setting. But once I added the darker color, it transforms the whole look into a nighttime one. I like spraying my setting spray directly on my brush to just grab that pigment off the palette. Here, I'm using this technique because the glitter colors tend to come out lighter than what I would like them to look. Eyeliner is totally optional here, but I think a wing would really tie up this look together. Applying a little bit of eyeshadow under the eyelids can really make your eyes pop. Becca in C-Pop is one of the best highlighters out there. I personally always have it on hand because it's right between rose and gold and matches my skin tone perfectly. It's also very pigmented, so just one brush and you have more than enough to apply to your beautiful face. And it comes with a mirror. Alright, I just added bronzer and now I'm gonna add some blush. And sorry, I don't have the name of the blush because it got wiped out. And now I'm gonna add some gel to my brows to set them using Anastasia. And finally, I'm gonna add some lashes and some mascara. Applying a darker shade of lip liner slightly over your lip line helps to make your lips look bigger, and I like using this technique especially for an evening look like this one. Finally, tie that look in with a perfect shade of lipstick. A pinky nude shade works best here and doesn't take the focus away from your eyes. Oh, and don't forget a bit of setting spray to lock in that look. And that's my take on an evening look. Perfect with the dress of your choice. Thanks for watching till the end. If you'd like to see more videos where I walk you through an entire look, please consider subscribing to the channel. Bye guys!